All right, this one's going to be kind of the special cases. So the ones like number 45, 47, 49, those are all kind of uh, typical questions you would get. Even number 51 and 53. Again, 51, if it's in slope-intercept form, again, I have the slope and the y-intercept, easy, just plug it into slope-intercept form. In fact, I can't, I just OCD here. Negative 3x plus 3. I'm already done with number 51. That's it. And then 53, x and y-intercept, think about it. If it's an x-intercept, wouldn't that just be the point 2 comma 0? If it's the y-intercept, wouldn't it be 0 comma negative 1? Right, and now I have 2 points, right? The x-intercept, the y-intercept, those would be the points. And it's just like number 49 now. Okay, just be aware of the negatives, very important. Now let's talk about number 55, where it says slope undefined. Okay, so it tells me the slope, but it says undefined. And the reason why I'm overemphasizing undefined is, okay, I want you to say the word undefined. And what happens to your jaw, right, your chin? When you say the word undefined, the jaw drops down. Okay, so any undefined line, undefined, it goes straight up and down. Okay, so when it says slope undefined, that means it's a line that's going straight up and down. When it's undefined, it's a line that goes straight up and down. Okay, containing the point 2 comma 4. All right, well, let's graph the point 2 comma 4, which is right here. Okay, and if the slope is undefined, that means the line goes straight up and down. Again, because the way I remember is undefined. The other kind is zero slope. And what does your mouth do when you say the word zero? Your cheeks go left and right. So if it's a zero slope, the line goes left to right with no up and down. And if it's undefined, it just goes up and down. Okay, so if it says slope undefined, again, it's just going to be a straight line going straight down, right? Okay, and see how the line crosses 2 comma 4, but the only other place it crosses is the x-axis at 2, correct? So it crossed the point 2 comma 4, but the only other place it actually crosses the graph is at the x-axis. So when it asks for a line, and if it's undefined, the answer is just going to be x equals 2. All right, because that's the only place the graph crosses. All right, so for example, so if 57 says horizontal, okay, that would just be another way of saying zero slope, okay, this is zero slope. And remember, when you say the word zero, my cheeks go left and right, okay, so it's going to be a line that goes straight left and right. And if I were to graph the point, negative 3 comma 2, so negative 3 comma 2, which is right there, again, zero slope or horizontal slope just means it goes straight left and right. Okay, so notice the green line, the only place it crosses is right here on the y-axis, right there. Do you see that? So it crosses on the y-axis at what value? Y equals 2. So that is the equation of that line. Okay, so whenever you see undefined or zero slope, just remember what your mouth does. So undefined goes straight up and down, and you look where it crosses the axes. So so for the purple line, or for the undefined slope, it crosses at x equals 2. For a zero slope or horizontal slope, it crosses at y equals 2, and that is the equation of the line. And it's as simple as that. And that's how you work with those special cases where the slope is undefined or it's a zero slope.